Hi, Kelly Nelson here, Glen and Kelly Nelson with the Nelson Real Estate Group and Realty One Group. And we are here at 9138 Espinosa Street in the beautiful Trilogy neighborhood in Temescal Valley. This is in the 55 plus golf course community developed by Shea Homes and has a lot to offer. This home has some beautiful architectural details. There's a guest suite up front with its own private bath. There's a separate den, which was an optional third bedroom. And there are 10-foot ceilings throughout this home with a skylight in the dining area. The kitchen and family room are open and spacious. And there's a separate eating area, which leads then to the backyard. The backyard is easy maintenance and has a beautiful view of the hills of Cleveland National Forest. The master bedroom has shutters and an upgraded ceiling fan. And the master bath has a large walk-in shower with a seat, dual sinks, and a spacious walk-in closet.
If you'd like more information about this home or would like a private tour, please call us at 951-660-5926.